Hi viewers, welcome to somycrafty channel, your own channel, beading channel, jewelry making channel. Today's project is about an elegant pair of earrings we are making with turquoise color shades, aqua and turquoise beads, with Montee, silver Montees, and very elegant earrings. I hope you will like it. And now we have started it. First of all, we threaded one Montee, silver Montee, 3 mm. We passed through 2 holes our thread. Then we have added one faceted multi-shaded 3 mm round bead with one seed bead 11 silver, one seed bead 11. We have to add it here. We skipped silver bead 11, and we passed through multi-shaded 3 mm round bead, and then we go back to the same hole, and we entered now to other hole, and here again we added one round 3 mm with one seed bead silver, and we go back through the same hole to next hole, and now we are adding for third time here the same beads, one silver seed bead is 11, and one round multi-shaded 3 mm bead. And now here we are in the fourth hole. Here we will again add the same beads, and in this way 4 times we added one round and one silver seed bead for the fourth time. 4 times we add it, and in this way we will complete first round, first step. This first round is completed. Now we will start our next round. Here you can see how we added beads around Montee. One silver Montee 3 mm is in the middle of these beads. Now next step is one turquoise, one aqua crystal bead, and one turquoise seed bead 11. 3 beads total we added here, and again we will add one seed bead turquoise, one aqua bead, aqua color bead, crystal bead 4 mm, and one seed bead 11. And for third time we are adding, passing through our previous rounds silver seed bead 11, we are adding these beads. And for the fourth time we will again add the same beads, seed beads, and one crystal bead 4 mm. In this way this round is completed. Now next step is to add one seed bead each time. 4 times we will add one seed bead, silver seed bead 11, in between crystal beads. Passing through 4 mm crystal beads we are adding this silver seed bead 11, and after adding this we will pull the thread. After adding these beads and pulling the thread, the shape of this beaded part will be changed. You can see now it looks like this. Now you have to pull the thread and make it tight. You can even make a knot here to make it secure. So now we have to start it. We have to start third round, third step. We are adding one seed bead 11, one multi-shaded 3 mm round bead and 1 seed bead 11/0. We pass through 1 crystal bead, aqua crystal bead 4 mm, and we added these 3 beads. We have to reinforce this part, these 3 beads we have to reinforce. Now here we have to make double knot. We will trim our thread here because we have to make another part, same like this part, beaded part. We have to make another, and after making it we have to join these 2 parts. Now we are joining these 2 parts, 2 beaded parts, same. Now we will pick 1 seed bead 11/0 and here passing through round 3 mm bead, we will add this 1 seed bead, and again we have to pick 1 more seed bead 11/0 silver seed bead and passing through aqua crystal bead 4 mm. We have added it, we have joined these 2 parts, reinforce it, and now we are moving to next step, passing through crystal beads and seed beads. We have to come to this middle bead, crystal bead. Here we will add 4 turquoise seed beads 11/0, 1 6 mm turquoise pearl and 1 seed bead 11/0. Skipping 1 seed bead 11/0, we pass through our turquoise pearl, 6 mm pearl, and passing through 1 seed bead, we are here adding 3 more seed beads, turquoise seed beads 11/0, passing through our 4 mm crystal bead. We have added these beads. This is the lower part of our earring. Now we have to move our needle with thread to the upper part where we will add ear wire with beads. We are adding here. We picked 1 round 3 mm multi-shaded, 1 seed bead silver 11/0 and 1 ear wire, then 1 seed bead and then 1 round 3 mm, and we are passing through the middle bead, crystal bead. We have added these. We have to reinforce here these beads and ear wire. We will again pass our thread through all these beads, and here we have to add 1 seed bead in the start of multi-shaded round bead, passing through seed beads around ear wire and 1 round bead. We are passing through this round bead which is with ear wire. Now again here 1 more seed bead, turquoise seed bead 11/0 we have to add here, and in this way we will complete our beading process of earrings making. It is ear wire is added. Now we have to make some finishing knots, passing through different beads. We have to make some finishing knots to make our work secure, and then we will trim the extra thread. So we have trimmed the thread. It's complete now. We have smoothed the ends of our thread with lighter's flame, and it is complete. An elegant look of our earring is here in my hands. The final look, it's ready. Definitely you would like to make for yourself with these same colors. These are turquoise, always my favorite color. Turquoise colors, aqua and turquoise mix combinations of different colors, same shades, blue color shade, turquoise color shades. I hope you guys like it. And this is the final looks, short videos and pics of today's project. Enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe your channel somycrafty. Do subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to click the bell button, bell icon, and try to watch fully if you want to learn techniques and today's project. I always try my best, so please subscribe my channel, make your channel successful, and encourage me with your subscriptions and likes. Do comments in comment section. I am uploading with the different languages, 9 languages or 10 languages, material detail in description, so you can easily get the knowledge of your earring jewelry making projects details in your language easily. So watch description in for details in different languages. Now I will say bye. Take care. Take care of yourself and your family, and thanks for watching. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.